Turkey burgers are notorious for being pale, dry, and sometimes tasting like cardboard, but it's not your fault, it's the meat. See, turkey is so lean that it's not very hard to cook out all the juices out of that meat. Well, one ingredient that I use in my turkey burgers really helps to keep that moisture and flavor in those patties and get some color on the outside as well. Spinach. Chop a cup roughly and work it into that mince. See, spinach is mostly water, so as it cooks, it releases moisture into the turkey burger. It keeps it juicy, it's the perfect binder, and you don't even need any breadcrumbs. To help with the blandness of the turkey, we're gonna add some seasonings. Some cayenne for heat, of course, some salt and pepper to taste, and some minced garlic. We're gonna mix it very lightly until it's all combined. If you overwork it, you're gonna ruin the texture of that meat. You don't want the proteins to seize up. Same goes for when you form the patties. As you portion out this mince, work it as little as you can, pat it out into the shape of a patty, and then put a divot so the turkey burgers don't dome up as they cook. That divot will also help you make sure your burgers get a good sear as they cook, because they'll stay flatter on that hot pan. Make sure the pan is hot when you add it. Cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, and just keep an eye on the temperatures. Overcooking is the death of a turkey burger. When you flip it, drop the heat and add the cheese so that it can slowly melt as the turkey finishes cooking. See, I'm using a grill pan here, which also helps to give it some grill lines when it's muggy outside, but you still feel like grilling. But of course, feel free to take this out on the barbecue. Here's a turkey burger that's genuinely juicy. You didn't even notice the greens.